Today, we're gonna make a meme in Adobe Express. I'm gonna walk you through the setup process, and we're gonna use Adobe Express to edit an already made meme template, and then we'll have it to post to whatever social media platform we want.
All right, now I'm in incognito mode just so that I'm not signed into Adobe, so I can show you getting signed up for an account. If you go to Google, you can just type in Adobe Express. There it is right there. And it'll show up here. Adobe's logo, adobe.com, Adobe Express, make stunning graphics. You say here, get Adobe Express free. You can click that. And here you've got 4 different ways that you can sign up with Adobe Express. You can get, continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with email. You click on it. If you click on Google and you're already signed into Google, it's going to ask you to sign into your Google account. If you have an Android, you already have a Google account. If you're an iPhone user, you already have an Apple account. If you're signed into any of these platforms already, then all you got to do is click one, and then it'll go through a process to automatically link those accounts together. If you want to continue with email, all you need to do is enter your email address and then make a password, and then you'll get an email notification in, and then you'll be all set to go with Adobe Express.
And actually, if we go up here to create right next to Adobe Express and go all the way down under the social media tab, you see we've already got meme selected here. So we're gonna go ahead and click design your meme now. And when it comes up here, you've got meme already typed into your templates here, and you'll see there's hundreds of already made templates formatted for a bunch of different memes. I have one that I already kind of like. I really like these brain memes, these thinking big brain kind of cosmic memes. I'm just gonna hit add to page, and now it's got me set up here with these 2 pictures, these 2 text boxes, and these are lines here, vertical and horizontal lines. So it says watching a 3-hour movie gives me a headache. Watching 3 seasons of a show, it's like, yeah, I can do that. And that's just, making fun of binge watching shows on like Netflix or whatever else. So let's take this template and let's make it into a more custom meme just for us. So what gives us a headache up here? Let's think about that. We're gonna click on the box here, and all of our text options for styles and different things are gonna click up here. If you double click, you'll see that you're able to edit the text. So you can just go ahead and start typing with your keyboard. So the first part of the meme is gonna be making memes in MS Paint. Oop. And same thing here. We're gonna click down here on this box. If we double click, we can edit in it. Double clicking in the box. Second part of the meme is, and the only thing that I really want to do, I don't want to add any effects, although I could add shadow to it if I wanted to, but that's not in a bunch of different shadow effects, but that's not really necessary for a meme like this. So the only thing that I really want to do is realign these, and what I love about Adobe Express is it has the same kind of guides that Photoshop does, so I can guide and snap to the words up top, and if I bring it up, it will tell me that I am now centered with the picture and centered with the text up top. I can do the same thing up here. This will keep me centered with, and if I come off of it, if I give it enough force, it will come off of it, but it'll guide me back into it, and I bring it up until boom. Now all of my text is centered with each other and with the pictures next to it as well. And now I'm done. I can, get this meme. I can either, share it directly to a social media platform, or if I hit download, I can choose whether I want it to be a PNG or a JPEG. JPEG is perfectly fine for this meme. Hit download. It's gonna start downloading it and generating it, and there it is in my downloads, and I can upload it to whatever social media platform that I want to next.
Well, that does it for this video. I really appreciate you staying till the end of it. If you liked the video, let me know by hitting the like button. And if you didn't like it, well then that's okay. You can hit the dislike button, but will you do me a favor? Leave a comment and tell me why you didn't like the video so we can work on making the videos better for you. And if you really like the video and you want to see more of them, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and take a look and see if we have any other videos that might be helpful to you.